What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justinpacete back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you are new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node, or staking your TFO tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFO passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. I do also want to mention of today's sponsor of Theta Forums, but a little bit more on them later. So I really am getting excited for the new Theta news and updates that I have for you guys. So we're going to see here in a moment, seeing that. As you can tell, guys, with the headline and thumbnail of today's video, I'm going to talk about more of the infrastructure Theta Network is trying to build for the upcoming year of 2025. I'm really looking forward to spreading some of this news. So if you are an OG viewer and subscriber, I really do appreciate you guys coming back as always. And if you're a new viewer, welcome to the channel, and hopefully you guys stay for future videos. Here, this individual posted, Theta Edge Cloud is linking GPU, graphic processing units, and cloud storage into a mega decentralized computer power grid. They are building the foundation for this new traffic of the internet in a sense. That's just how I would like to say and imagine it, because going on to this other individual, this community member, a global compute marketplace composed of traditional CSPs and emerging DePins made possible only by Theta Network. Going on to some of these images as well, this was mentioned earlier on, you do see the cloud service customers, the Web 2 CSP, the Web 3 DePin, and then offload some workloads to Theta to take advantage of the best compute price to performance achieved by tapping into eventually billions of edge devices. Web 2 CSPs and Web 3 DePins can also be customer of Edge Cloud. So just a quick search, I believe this is the understanding for Web 2 CSP. It's a communication service provider, offers telecommunication services or some combination of information of media services, content, entertainment, and application services over networks. So that's what AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, etc. And then of course we do know that the infrastructure that Theta Network is trying to build, DePin, the decentralized physical infrastructure, using any excess GPUs. Continue on to the next image we're going to see here as an example of the cloud network and the edge network. So you do have the individual at the very bottom, the managing computing entity, and then in order to have the work completed in a timely manner and efficiently and cost effectively, you're going to have the edge network and going on to the cloud network, possibly for whichever device has the best tool to have whatever task accomplished within a certain amount of time. That's just my own understanding it from a nursing background, but for those who have any other thoughts and comments, comment down below of how you can analyze this image there. Next one I want to also show you guys, I believe this was from their white paper for the next upcoming year of 25 to 26 if I remember correctly. The immediate strategy is to partner and align with some of the largest cloud providers and become part of the extended architecture, making Theta indispensable to their business. This begins with a release 1 of the cloud hosted nodes managed by Theta and extending edge node client with an Elite Plus booster option. With the first step, all Elite node operators will be able to participate in the initial development and deployment of Theta Edge Cloud's distributed architecture, supporting high performance CPUs and GPUs. Extends this capability for any data center, mining operator, or community member to deploy these in their own cloud, vastly increasing the capability, robustness, and fault tolerance of the Theta Edge Cloud. So it's nice seeing that they are able to have all these other community members to help and assist and deploy, in addition to all the other data centers like the bigger companies as well. Finally, Release 3 integrates and introduces the world's first hybrid and cloud computing platform built on a fully distributed edge architecture. And then to my understanding, this is the architecture that they are envisioning, as well as all these other companies just throwing it all together, trying to, guys, if you could just envision it, I feel like this is probably the best image for that. In addition to the AI technology partners, you do see here Google, AWS, Microsoft, and Theta, some of the bigger cloud platforms. So put some thoughts and comments down below, guys, as what you think so far. Really do appreciate any kind of discussions we have. In addition to it, I do want to mention some highlights for Theta from Mitch and Jihe. Starting here with Mitch, you can see the Theta Edge Cloud, what they're building so far. The first hybrid cloud edge computing platform for AI, video, rendering, gaming, and more. There's still so many other individuals who need to be added onto the list, but for this post, FlyQuest, when it comes to esports, Las Vegas Golden Knights, hockey, New Jersey Devils, also hockey, NRG, I believe that's also gaming if I remember right, Evil Geniuses gaming, NBA Rockets, basketball, the San Jose Earthquakes, and that's, well, soccer in America, but anywhere else it's called football. So you can see all these partners that are using the tech. When it came to the breakdown as to how much each partnership was, I believe Energy was the one that really had a specific amount. If I remember correctly in my previous videos, I believe it was a multi-year, maybe 3 years, and it was like a few $1,000,000. I'll try to pull it up here, guys, if I remember to find the right video, but that's just from what I was able to find. The other chatbots, when I tried it, they wouldn't really give me any specific amount of years or the money for the partnership for whichever ones you see here for the chatbots. So going on to G here as well, just for some more updates as well as information about what Theta is building. The Theta Edge Cloud Theta Network just added new support for the 2 new Gen AI models. Step Video is a state-of-the-art AI text to video designed to transform text prompts into high-quality videos. Instant ID is a cutting-edge AI model that specializes in generating images while preserving the identity of a reference person. If you want to play around with it, you're more than welcome to. Maybe in another video I'll talk about all these other demos, but just for the sake of time-wise, I'll try not to go into too much details. Before going on to the next example for what Theta Network is building, I do want to mention our sponsor today of Theta Forums, so just a quick message from them. Theta Forums, you're able to have community questions, have answers by the community for the community. You can see there are different type of categories that are listed here, and it tells you what kind of date it was posted. Different directories, meaning there's different aspects of Theta Network that you can probably ask. For example, there's just a couple from the beginning you can see here: Theta Network Forum, Theta Edge Cloud Forum, Theta Drop Forum, so on and so forth. You're more than welcome to check out all the links down below in the description for this post right here. In addition to that, you can see all the other tabs right here as well: Theta Edge Cloud, Theta Network, Theta Drops website, Guardian Monitor, Theta Con, Mobile Edge Node download. So if you do want to sign up or log in, there is that page up here on the top right. If you want to add your email, so you'll be added to the list. I'm sure you'll get notifications when there's new posts or anything like that. But overall, like I said, check out that link down below for Theta Forums. Thank you, Theta Forums, for sponsoring this video. Now back onto the other video. In addition to it, here's some more applications. The new Theta Network Edge Cloud On-Demand AI Model API Service Application Interface Service enables serverless development for building and scaling intelligent applications on the top of the most popular generative AI models. With the upcoming June 2025 Edge Cloud Community Node release, these AI models will run on Theta Edge Cloud's hybrid cloud edge infrastructure, which dynamically sources idle GPU capacity from cloud providers, enterprise data centers, and community-operated edge nodes. Based on real-time demand for model inference, an intelligent scheduler continuously optimizes model placement and resource allocation, ensuring low latency, high availability, and cost efficiency, even during peak hours. This distributed architecture allows the platform to scale seamlessly while minimizing waste and delivering consistent performance for development and production workloads. Learn more here as well, and going onto this post from Theta Network. So just taking a quick pause from what we just read, we're going to be able to have the increased traffic that Theta Network is going to be adopting just to be prepared for, but at the same time, you're not wasting any kind of resource. Energy is going to be used efficiently. Cost is going to be low because that's the whole point of Theta Network. Once this is going to be released, I believe it was the summer of this year of 2025, that's when it's going to be able to have all these other functions, but it's kind of soon. It's already when this video is going to be released. It's in May. I believe this release is planned for, it's the summer of this year, so I'm assuming June or July if I remember correctly. Hopefully I'll be able to like throw up a countdown here so you can see just about when it's going to be released. But either way, it's going to be really exciting when Theta Network is hopefully going to be able to release this. Then we're going to see all these networks work together, and hopefully more networks and business partners are going to be able to hop on the Theta Network and just continue to build on from there. We already know about all the current partners. I'll list like a few here as I'm speaking, but we do know that there's esports, there's also real life sports, basketball, hockey, soccer, and then who knows what other individual partners. I believe there's another gamer, just one individual. I believe it's your boy Roy, I believe is his headline or his tag, but there's just so much more that Theta Network has potential for when it comes to new partners altogether. Comment down below what you guys want to see in the future in terms of sports, esports, individuals who are on the Theta Network. It's just going to be something really exciting to see. Continuing on to two more posts from Theta Network themselves. Theta continues to innovate with the first decentralized on-demand AI model API service, making it easier than ever for developers to incorporate new AI models for any type of use case. Read more in the release blog here. So we'll just increase the image. You can see here are the examples for these applications that you can use and view. You can see on the right side, I believe when this video uploads, you'll see the cost. So this one says like a cent per image. You can see here on the right side says 20 cents for every 1 million input tokens, so on and so forth. Here's just like an example. So you can see the pricing. I like how it's just there, so for those who want to use it, you can just guess about how much your expenses are going to be. Hopefully it's going to be low when you're using Theta Network. Last thing I do want to mention is just another update with Theta Networks, like traveling and hopefully creating more partners. I believe this event is going to be already past when this video is posted, but it looks like they are at Dubai of 2049. I also do know that Venture Mind AI is at this event as well, so hopefully they'll be able to continue to prosper, continue to build partnerships to both platforms. I'm just really excited to report on it, guys, and if you are still watching this video at the end of this, please hit that like and subscribe button for any kind of Theta related news. Also just looking forward to seeing what's next, guys, so we'll see. Theta Network looks like they're performing pretty well when it comes to partnerships. Price, I believe personally, will come once everything is being utilized and everyone sees that Theta Network is no joke, and all these other current partners that we have right now using Theta Network's tech, once that is going to be continued partnership, there's just more potential in my own opinion. But just a friendly reminder, guys, that none of these videos are financial advice. Definitely do your own research. All I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you. If you're a new viewer though, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I posted in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your TFIO tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help on my channel, help the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFIO passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Really am excited for the future of Theta Network, future partners, any collaborations, businesses, things like that. I'm still going to be optimistic. Of course, that's the reason why this channel is still growing and people are still subscribing to the channel and people are still staking. So I'm glad to say that there's still hundreds of thousands of Theta tokens on my Guardian node and equivalent to TFIO on the Elite Edge node. So as of right now, I believe it could be full. I am also thankful for the sponsors that are coming onto the channel. I also would not be here without you guys, so thank you very much. Really am looking forward to the future of Theta though. Until the next Theta video, till the next Theta update, it is your boy Justinpacete, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.